Hey guys, what's going on? Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Jamaican Insider. So let me know, when last have you been to Liguanea? If it has been a while, you're in for a treat, as that's where I'm heading. Now I'm just passing by the Fontana Pharmacy on the right here in Barbican. And to the left is the Jack's Hill, the entrance for Jack's Hill. And now we're coming up to the Barbican Muse on our left. As you can see, there have been some new developments. New apartments have been built and constructed there. Now we're on Paddington Terrace. As you can see, again, more new developments. Let's just enjoy them. So from Paddington Terrace to Liguanea Avenue. And if you have been here before, you will notice that there is a new bridge that has been constructed. This one is definitely much more appealing, pleasing to the eye, and safe. Passing Liguanea Drive to our right. Fellas, to the left, what's that? Is that a walking trophy? Let me know in the comment section. To our left is the Sovereign Center. That's where you can get some shopping done. And there's also a movie theater, pharmacy, supermarket. Quite a few stores are there. Food court. Definitely check it out. Have to keep a watchful eye for these taxis and passengers. To our right is the Caribbean Airlines office. You can go and buy airline tickets over there. I'm not sure who does that in this time and age though, but if you're so inclined, definitely that's where you'd go. Passing a Scotia Bank on our left. There's a CIBC First Caribbean Bank also on our left right here. And if you were to take this left right here, you will find the NCB Bank. So quite a few banks are in this area as well. And to our right is the US Embassy. Passing by the Waterfall Club. They play a lot of oldies over there. Just gonna make a quick stop at General Food. This is a supermarket here, one of the main supermarkets in Liguanea. All done, just had to pick up an item. But if you would like to see the inside of a Jamaican supermarket, to see what it looks like, just comment in the comment section below. I would definitely consider making a video about that. So in this plaza you can find, of course, a supermarket, General Food. There's also a pharmacy, a souvenir store, and a Wendy's restaurant, as you can see to the right. And there's a Jamaican restaurant called Mother's here as well. Right here, this is the Mother's restaurant. They serve Jamaican food. And for all the patty lovers, you have two options here in Liguanea. There's a juicy patties to the right, as you can see here. And there's also a tasty on the left. So right across the road from each other. So you have no excuse. Passing by the Matilda's Corner Police Station on the right, and a St. Peter and Paul's Church and Prep School. And this is where we're going to end it, right at this stoplight. If we were to go left, we will be heading to Mona. And I want to thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't. Click the notification bell, leave a like, comment, and share. Thank you.